Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix Please Contact iTunes Support to complete this transaction on iPhone. If you're using any iPhone and you're facing the issue that whenever you try to make any transaction or to install any app from your app store, so you might see this type error message on your screen, or sometimes you can see this type error to contact with iTunes Support. So let's see how can you fix the issue. You just have to simply go back from here. And very first thing, you just have to make sure that you have a stable and the strongest network connection, or you have to also make sure that your VPN is not connected. So go for the settings, go for general, go for VPN device management, and you have to make sure that you're not connected to any VPN. If you're connected, try to disconnect with that. After that, simply go back from here, go to date and time setting, and set or enable this toggle to set your date and time automatically. Then again, go back, go to your app store, tap on your profile option in the top right, tap on your Apple ID here, verify yourself using your Face ID or Apple ID password. And once you have verified, just select country or region option, and here just select your own country or region in which you're living. So once you have find here, you just have to select your own country or region, and there just select continue option, then tap on agree in the top right, and here you just have to try to add your payment method if you don't have any payment method. So you can select the none option from here, or you can also add your payment method. Then you have to add your billing address, your phone number, your name, and after all you just have to tap the done option in the top right, and your issue will be fixed. Your payment method and your billing address will be updated on your Apple ID, so your issue must have to be fixed. But in some cases, if your issue is still not fixed, so this is the only way to connect with iTunes support. So you have to simply open your Apple Support app. You can easily install it from your App Store, or you can use Apple Support Web. I'm going to use my app here. Just select your iPhone, then select subscriptions and purchases, and select enable to purchase. Or you can also select this more option from here, select iTunes Store, and here just select the get more help option, select call us, and you'll find a phone number, and you'll be whenever you want to talk, you have to simply dial this phone number. You will be connected with the Apple Support team member. You can discuss about your issue and get official help from there. So after that, your issue will be fixed. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.